Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see what is HashMap and how it's working, and with the example we are going to see with the hands-on practice. So let's see here. We have a definition of HashMap. So HashMap is basically which implements the interface which allows us to store key and value pair where keys should be unique. So it is easy to perform operations using the key index like updation, deletion. So if you are, adding some values, key values in the hash map, so there we can easily access them by using the key, you know, and as well we can update the values by using key, and we can also easily delete the values using the key index. Okay, so let us see some of the interview questions as well. So does hashmap allows null key and value? Yes, hashmap allows null key and null values, but there are some restriction as well. So we can see in another question as well. Can hashmap have multiple null keys and values? HashMap allows to store one null key and many null values, which means so if we have around five keys, so there are one null keys allowed, not many null keys. But if you have many keys, there we can store many null values. That's allowed in Java. Many keys can have null value in Java, right? Okay, one more question as well we have. Does hash table allows null key and value? Yeah, already we've seen that. Yeah, which will not allow us to store null key and null value at the same time, right? We can store either one, right? But we can't store null key null value. That's not allowed. That's what this means. This is the interview question. If you are getting this question in an interview, hash map, so there you can expect these following questions. Okay, I hope I cleared everything about a hash map. So we are gonna see the hands-on practice with the live code. Okay, yeah. So nowadays, in YouTube we can zoom videos, right? If the font is uh, too small, so you can just zoom the video and you can watch this video, right? Yeah, let's create a HashMap class here. So we can create a map, because maps called key value pair, right? So yeah, string, and I'm going to store the index as an integer, because this is the key and this is the value. Integer is a key, it's a value. Okay, let's give the name for this. Yeah, I'm going to give hashmap new hashmap. Note the each letter here we have to give like this, otherwise this will throw an error. Yeah, integer, string, yeah, close the bracket. So it shows like this because we have to import the package. Okay, yeah, that's done. So let's add some key pair value in here. So we have to call the reference here. You may used array list, a linked list, something like that. So there you use add, right? In hash map, add is not available, so we have to use put. Okay, then only we can put the key pair value. So I'm going to give some example here. Apple, yeah, again 2 in here, banana. I'm going to put around 5 key elements. Cat, one more thing, in here doc. Yeah, that's it. We have one more element as well. Yeah, elephants. Okay, fine, guys. We have added more than we added around five elements here, key elements. So here we are going to print this first, and we will see some other operations as well. Uh, First, I am going to uh, use for loop. So here we are going to get the key elements. Key. First of all, I'm going to get the key. What we have to do is we have to h because this is the reference, right? So key set, which is an inbuilt class, so we can call this in the inbuilt method. Am I right? Yeah, especially for hash map. So here I'm going to print the key. Yeah. After that, I'm going to print again the value. So what data types that you used in key and value, okay, the same data type you have to use in the for loop declaration, right? Data type declaration, otherwise this will not work. Yeah, here value. Okay, fine. So here also call the method print statement and yeah, okay, value, value, okay. Okay, let's print this. Okay, we can see like this, keys and values, right? Yeah, you can call this like this. So we are going to see the you know the updation and deletion. So that is the crucial part in HashMap, right? Yeah, what we are going to do is, so here we are going to update the value in the particular index. Okay, we are going to update the a random index value. I'm going to use 4. In the fourth index we are going to change the value. Okay, yeah, donkey, which will be replace the donkey in the fourth index. So let's see what happens here. Here you can see right, wait a minute. Yeah, as you can see here we have a dog, so we are going to update the element or replace the element. So as you can see here, donkey, right? So after that, what you are going to do is we are going to delete one index. Okay, we are going to delete the fifth index. So for that, I'm going to uncomment this and hm dot remove. We have to use as this mentioned object key. What is the key? 5. Okay, we are going to use 5. Okay, semicolon. Yeah, we don't have the fifth index key value, right? Yeah, this is how we can do, we can update or replace, replace key value. and by using this we can uh, remove the index and value. You can say key value both. Okay, that's it, guys. We made a similar simple uh, insertion deletion, and we seen how it works and how to call the class, and how it works the key value pair. And we can simply use this for loop to call key and value. So you can do this, so which will help you uh, you know easy to remember these tips. So let's see with another video. So I hope you all understood what I tried to mean. So you can see a lot of videos from our channel. I posted many interview related videos which will help you in interviews, and I posted many programming logic videos as well. Check it out. I'll put the link in the below description. So let's see in the next video. Thanks for watching.